Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a 2008 Roblox account. As you can see, I did a 2008 Roblox account right here. So yeah guys, so the first thing you wanna do, you wanna go in your avatar. You wanna go in body, you wanna go in skin tone, you wanna go in advanced, you wanna go in right leg. You can click whatever color you want, except if it's a yellow, and also if it's a skin color. And you want to go on left leg, do the same color as the last one. Then you want to go on your head, then click yellow. Then and then you want to go on. And let me unequip these stuff really quick. Okay, so now it should look somewhat like this. So yeah guys, so the next one you want to do is go on old Roblox. I'll leave this one down in the link description below. Copy the link so I can do it later. Okay, so I'll leave this down in the description below for you guys. It's 500 Robux. I was the one that made this. And then you want to go in the avatar, put it on, stuff like that. And then, ooh, this is my ad. I want to not join the Illuminati. Okay. Okay, so then I want to go in the catalog and type on Roblox visor in catalog. But first thing, guys, let's look at a Roblox visor. Hold on, let me, like 2008 Roblox visor. So this is what the 2008 Roblox visor actually looks like. It's 2008, Roblox visor 2007 right there, if you want to do that. Okay, so 2008 Roblox visor, this is it right here. So then when you go in catalog, then what the heck? What the heck? It should be there. What? Okay, for some reason. What is it? Okay. Oh no. That's Roblox visor. Has it become off sale? Oh no, there it is. Right there. Roblox visor. So what is the difference? There's basically no difference. The only difference is this is black and this is red. That's the only difference. You want to equip that as free. So then you equipped those items. Then, boom! You're a 2008 Roblox account. Haha, you're a 2008 Roblox account. Congrats. I know it cost 500 Robux in the end, but I'll show you it is worth it.